Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the long delay here. Just took a little while to move and kind of get settled down in the new house, and just thought I'd give a quick video update to show that I'm still alive and working on Monster Bash. I'm also working on a quick release update to one of my iPhone games, which is a Halloween themed game, so I really wanted to try and get that one done as well, but I'm just about wrapped up on that, and I've already started doing a couple little things again with Monster Bash, so just wanted to let everyone know. So anyways, here's what part of the room is looking like so far in my office. I still gotta get the little thing that goes, connects and hides the wires behind the TV, but haven't done that. We got the TV on the wall. It's a very dark maroon color in this office here. It's the way that people left it for me when I bought the house. So there's the ColecoVision, and right over there at the thrift store a week ago I picked up a really cool little JVC TV. Can kind of see it for $16, but actually on the day I happened to get it, all yellow sticker things were half off, so I actually paid $8 for that TV, and that should allow me to do my testing with the gun over there. And now we got an actual CRT TV again, and just some game system boxes, and just thought I'd show here's the office, what it looks like now at the new place. It is a smaller room than my previous office, which is a little bit of a bummer, but house is overall bigger, but got a smaller office to say the least. And of course got some of the game stuff set up here from Xbox 360 and PS3 and Wii stuff. Don't really ever get to play this stuff, just looks cool displayed. And so that's it. Anyways, just got an email from Yorkie yesterday that my controllers are ready to be sent back. They've been rebuilt, which is going to be really great. So I've been using the Sega Genesis controller here for a little while, which definitely does some weird stuff to the Coleco, I'm finding out, so it's probably not the best thing to be using this thing for long term anyways. But because I noticed when I ran my gun game, my gun ROM, testing the guns, I was noticing that the keypad presses were just going all over the place. Even when you weren't hitting anything, it was registering all these weird numbers, so it shows that this controller is sending some odd signals for keypad presses, so hopefully, nothing too crazy. Anyways, here is a really quick update. Nothing super special, but just thought I'd show really quick. The one thing is I got Dracula's body drawn in there just quickly. Not the best right now, but just wanted to flesh something in there. You can see the bats are chasing me now. Well, they did that last time. Got a little bit better flicker system kind of going in. I try to only flicker things when I truly have to, and that seems to be kind of getting better. And the other thing also, very minor detail, but I fixed the top candles. So as you can see, when you light the top candles here, they actually light more like the arcade. They got the rounded corners, and they don't mess up the doors. And then, of course, the other thing also is I had the shooting working in there. I think I showed that right there in the last update as well. But now what I did was when you shoot the bats, it actually shows the little oh boy, for lack of a better word, it kind of shows a little explosion symbol. Hang on, let me reboot. Let me restart the game again. And for anyone who follows my ROM builds, it doesn't say it up here, just as a result, but we're on ROM build 16. And let's see, yeah, this is the one fun thing, because there's no number pad on the Sega controller, you can't select the game. There we go. But I noticed if I turn on and off the system a couple times, it actually seems to pass a number 1. As I said, this thing is passing weird key values. and then it triggers the thing to start. Anyways, if you watch carefully when I shoot it, there you go. See the little explosion, or the little, I don't know what you'd call it, but the little collision symbol that the arcade uses for when you blow something up. So got that in there. And then also the only downfall is because Dracula uses oh geez, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprites on top of it, so because it's a double height sprite, I have to do some serious flickering right here when I put your character on the same line as Dracula. So the good thing, as I said, I try to have it smart enough to know not to flicker unless it really has to. So my flicker system's working halfway decent, but the one thing I'm trying to work on is I can actually get the Coleco to run a little bit faster. I'm using a delay of 1 in my code. I would really love to be able to use a no delay, which speeds things up really quick, but the problem is it starts speeding things up so fast that I start getting weird gibberish characters just appearing randomly in places on the screen, and I don't know what's causing it, some kind of like video RAM issues or something, but that would actually make the flicker happen even faster, and I'm wondering if it would make it look a little bit less noticeable. So I'm trying to work to implement something like that to try and minimize the flicker as best I can. Or if you guys out there think that you can live with flicker like that when you're playing the game, let me know. Otherwise I'm just kind of killing myself. But it is, one of the downfalls trying to use the multicolored sprites the way that I'm trying to do it in this game. But other than that, just as I said, want to give a quick update, let everyone know the game is definitely still moving ahead, and just show where I was, to show that there were some updates. The next update is going to be, I'm going to be finally moving Dracula around the screen and actually have him roaming around, which should be fun. And I need to also work on some palette swapping techniques to get this sword to start flashing like the arcade. I thought about doing a multicolored sprite, but I think to teach myself, I think it would be useful to learn how to change the character set palettes to let it flicker, let it change color. That way I have one less sprite to worry about with more sprite flicker and that sort of thing. But that's it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.